some magic in the moonlight.
What's up, Alberto Sports? Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're jumping into the one of the fastest and most fun sports out there. Whenever you play or dreaming to becoming a pro. So, let's get started. Do you guys get curious about the meaning and the story on how the badminton becomes one of the most played games in the world? Badminton is an ancient and popular game that is being played across the world. This game has different names and was popular in ancient times. In ancient years, a sport was played by the people of the Greece and Egypt, which was similar to badminton that we play today. The game was known as battledore and shuttlecock. In that game, two players hit the feather, made shuttlecock using small rackets. It's believed that badminton sport was originated in ancient civilization in Europe and Asia more than 2,000 years ago. In 1600, people used to pass their time by playing battledore and shuttlecock in England and other European countries. It was in mid-19th century, a modern badminton was introduced in British India by the British military officers. This was the time when the net was introduced to the old battledore game. This game was very famous in the Indian town of Pune, and a new name was given to the game Pune. In the year 1867, the rules for Pune were written. Later, people preferred to use bowling balls in windy or rainy weather and again switch back to the shuttlecocks. This sport of Pune was then eventually brought back home by the British officers and was played at the Duke of Beaufort's in 1873. This residence was called Badminton House. This is where badminton gets its name from. In 1877, the Badminton Club was established. This club introduced the first set of rules of badminton game. In 1893, the first badminton association was formed in England. In 1934, the International Badminton Federation or Badminton World Federation was formed. 9 founder members of the federation are belong. In 1936, India joined the federation as an affiliate. In 1948, the first IBF tournament, Thomas Cup, was held. After that, many world events were held, including Uber Cup, Sudirman Cup, World Championships, and World Junior Championships. The badminton game was initiated to the Commonwealth Games in Kingston, Jamaica, after the game becomes the part of Commonwealth Games. All the rules and regulations of badminton are included in the famous sports event. In 1972, badminton was demonstrated at the Munich Olympics. At that time, singles and doubles events were introduced in the Olympic Games. In 1996, mixed doubles were introduced. Badminton was a famous sport with mixed doubles events in the Olympics. After introducing badminton in 1992 at the Olympics, 5 countries won gold medals. In 1990s, para-badminton started to become competed internationally, with the first World Championship in Amer sport. The IBF was relocated to Kuala Lumpur and on September 24, 2006, after the extraordinary general meeting in Madrid. In the year 2009, BWF celebrated their 75th anniversary with the Road Book title International Badminton. BWF became recognized as an international organization by the International Paralympics Committee. In the year 2013, the regulation for para-badminton have been agreed upon. On October 2014, para-badminton has been selected for the Tokyo 2020 Paralympic Games sport for the first time. Recently, a variation of badminton is introduced in Germany, which is known as speed badminton or speedminton. This game is played without placing any net in the middle. Next, let's talk about where all the actions happen. The badminton court. The full court stretches 13.4 meters long, while the width is 6.1 meters when playing doubles. For singles, the width narrows to 5.18 meters, making the court a bit tighter. In the center, you will spot the net, set at the height of 1.55 meters at the post and about 1.53 meters in the middle. Now, to give further discussion, let's listen to Ms. Hazel Allen B. Roma.
Hi mga ka-Alberto Sports! I am Hazel Allen B. Roma from BSN 2B. Now, we're going to discuss my part. Badminton racket. Head and strength area. Throat and a shaft. Handle. Bat cup. Shuttlecock. Cork head. Do's and don'ts. Keep a proper stance and use the right grip for control. Stay light on your feet and communicate with your partner. Avoid gripping the racket too tightly, standing flat-footed or smashing every shot. Focus on good work and stay alert until the game ends. But remember, a proper warm-up is the key to a safe and strong start in every badminton game.
Let's talk about the 7 basic skills that every badminton player should know. First up, the grip. This is how you hold your racket. For the forehand grip, imagine you're shaking hands with your racket. Your thumb and index finger form a V shape and your hold should be relaxed but firm. This gives you power and control for the most of your shots. For the backhand grip, slightly turn your hand so your thumb rests on the wider surface of the handle. This makes it easier to return shots on your non-dominant side without twisting your wrist too much. Next is your stance, or your ready position. This is how you stand and prepare to move in any direction. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and your weight on the balls of your feet, not on your heels. Your body should lean forward just a little, ready to spring. Third is footwork. In badminton, footwork is everything. You need to move efficiently and reach the shuttle without losing your balance. Good footwork means using small, quick steps instead of heavy jumps.
Next is serving, the slightly downward. Do not use 5 fingers but 2 fingers only. Do not hold below, but hold it upward. Smash. Jump with 1 foot. Rotate your body and change your footing. Racket holding exercise. Lastly, showcase smash. Drop shots. These are used to win points that aim at scoring point deception. These are used to move the opponent at the front court. Clear or lob. The lob shot in badminton is shot with an inverted U strategy, normally played with the forecourt with aim to lift or lob the shuttle over the opponent. The idea is to land as near as the baseline as this is at an angle that is impossible to clear. The result is space in the front mid-court.
And that's it from the history to the court, the racket, the 7 basic skills, and the rules. Now, you're ready to take your badminton game to the next level. Stay active, play fair, and keep the game alive. Till next time, peace out!
Hanggang sa dulo ng